Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of reels in Instagram, and this is going viral in Instagram. So if you will post this type of reel, definitely you will get a good number of views and a good number of reach in your Instagram account. So to make this type of video, you will need two things. The first is your photo or a small clip of yours, and the second is that a god kind of clip. So the first part you already have it, and for the second part what you have to do, just go to this profile here, and here I have posted different kind of god videos here. Even more I will be posting here, a new kind of templates. You just go to that video and comment like whichever you like, whichever you want, comment on that video, like send me this. I will directly send it to your inbox. So directly you can use that and your photo, merge it with any editing app, or from the Instagram itself you can merge it and post it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.